47. Deliverance from Egypt. When God sent Moses to Pharaoh with the message, "Let my people go," he added, "And I am sure that the king of Egypt will not let you go, no, not by a mighty hand." Exodus 3:19. Why then did God order Moses to deliver the message? The confrontation served two purposes. First, it hardened Pharaoh's heart. He became all the more determined to resist Moses and his God, and he punished Israel for God's demands. Thus, things very definitely took a turn for the worse. Only God's judgment broke down Pharaoh's resistance. Second, Pharaoh, in punishing Israel, compelled the Israelites finally to stand with Moses. The people were cowardly and ready to continue in their slavery, but step by step they were driven to stand with Moses. The Lord's dealing with us are often the same. Before he delivers us, he increases the problems and the evils in order to make us more fully aware of the moral problem and to drive us to make a stand. Thus, God's intervention, before it brought deliverance, brought greater problems. The Israelites at first turned against Moses, not Pharaoh, as though Moses were their oppressor. Exodus 5:20 and 21. They were unwilling to believe that freedom does not come easily. Step by step, the Lord prepared them for their departure from Egypt. The people grew enough to leave the land of Egypt, but Egypt remained in their hearts. For this reason, God left them to die in the wilderness and took their children into the promised land. Before the Lord can deliver you to your promised land, he must remove Egypt from your heart also. Are you too wedded to Egypt to lay hold of God's promises?